All right, I'm so excited that you're learning all these awesome Facebook features. I hope that you're feeling even more empowered as you go along. One of the newest features on the platform is basically, you can think of this as on-platform remarketing. And basically what we're going to be getting into here are engagement audiences. So what do I mean by on-platform remarketing? Well, in my experience, when people are using a social media platform like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, one of the hardest things to do is to get people to click on something because they know that they're going to be leaving the platform. Can you imagine, like, last time that you were using Facebook, maybe you were just relaxing, you were scrolling through your news feed, and you just thought, maybe this is interesting, but I don't really want to go and dive into another website right now because I'm using Facebook. So getting people to make that click can be a hard way to create an audience that is the next step down in your funnel. You know what I mean? It's people that currently, if you're using your pixel to do that, then the only way that you're going to be able to track people who took an action but using your pixel is if they visit your website or your app or whatever. And in this case, we're going to be able to use on-platform elements to retarget people. So for example, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be working in the menu assets audiences area again. And essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a audience that is related to something that people have done on the platform related to our content. So not off the platform, but on the platform. So we're going to go to create audience. So let's do a custom audience. And this is a new feature again. And what we're going to be doing here is engagement. And so, for example, one of the easiest ways to do this here is people who have engaged with your Facebook or Instagram business profiles. So let's just go and click here. We'll say Instagram business profile. And then so now you're going to be able to bring up the targeting for people who have engaged with your business, let's say in the past 30 days or whatever. And we're just going to go back and I'm going to show you another option. Another thing that is very useful is the video-based engagement audience. So if you're, for example, using the awareness or video views objective, and these are objectives that we're going to be getting into very soon, you can promote a video to people. And then you can create an engagement audience of the people who have viewed different links of your video. So for example, people who viewed 95% of your video, you can be pretty confident that they're aware at least of what you are trying to tell them about. Now you can create an audience of these folks and use that for retargeting. So since this is a relatively new feature, it's something that we're going to be experimenting with at Easel over the next year or two, and we'll keep you updated on that in future versions of this course. But I wanted to make you aware of this very powerful tool of the engagement audience.